everybody, this is Debbie Boyle. I'm a Platinum in doTERRA and a part of the team, and I'm so happy to be here with you today. Well, moving along our Panthen Oil Camp, we've been learning so many wonderful things about these great oils, and we've been focusing now on Deep Blue. Isn't it great what you're learning so far? Well, we're going to take it a step further and show you how you can do your own DIYs with these essential oils. And we have something we call our Light Blue. It contains two oils, our Deep Blue, wonderful Deep Blue, and our frankincense. Let's review the oils that are in the Deep Blue. We have wintergreen, camphor, peppermint, ylang ylang, helichrysum, blue tansy, blue chamomile, and osmanthus. We got some big heavy hitters in this one here. That's why it's such a wonderful oil to support relief of inflammation. It gives your joints and muscles great relief when you've overextended them, overburdened them, and done a little bit too much. Gym enthusiasts don't go without this in their gym bag. I know for older people like my husband and I, you know, we wake up in the morning and the joints and the muscles just aren't moving the way they used to, and a little bit of Deep Blue on them will really help them start moving better, quicker. And frankincense, of course, is our king of king oils. This oil is wonderful, has so many properties, but the main one we're looking at is, again, supporting the relief of inflammation. So you put these two together and wow, do you have a big strong roller bottle to use to take care of pain relief. Okay, so let's look at our roller bottles. What I'm going to use today is, this is called a 5 milliliter roller bottle. I'm going to give you a little lesson on roller bottles, okay? And you can get out there 10 milliliters, okay? 5 and 10, all right? You can get them with blue caps. You can get them with dark blue caps. You can get them in tinted shades to the bottle. Here's a blue. Here, you can get them frosted tinted. Here's a frost. You can get them in a real fancy case like this. Here's just a nice white frosted one. If you like dark in color shade, we can go with this. If you like a color with a shiny cap, there's so many roller bottles out there. I mean, whatever suits your fancy. That's why they make wonderful gifts too. Wouldn't you like to receive something like this? Yeah, it's a treat. It really is. They're great. So now see, you're going to have something that would be a great gift for somebody when you see what we're going to make here in just a minute. Other things we have what are called little sample bottles that you can be making this in if you want to carry it in your purse. These are so cute. Wait till you see this. It's got a little roller bottle. Look at a metal roller bottle on the little bottle. Isn't that cute? Just love it. And another tool you're going to want when you're going to be a good avid rollerball maker, you can get these in doTERRA's back office. I think they're $2.99, okay? You can get fancy and get a shiny gold one. What we're going to do is we're definitely going to post resources for you of where we find roller bottles to buy and where we find these type of tools and accessories. But no, you got to shop around, okay? Just shop around and see who's got the best deal. Okay, so what you're going to do, we're going to make a 5 milliliter roller ball today. And where did I put the 5? Here it is. Okay, so we have this little orifice, right? And this. What we're going to do is take our Deep Blue, and we're going to put 25 drops, and I can't talk and count at the same time. 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you do that? Of course you can do that. It doesn't get any harder than that, believe me. All right, let's put our cap back on so we don't have any accidents here. And then, see the blue color there? And then we're going to take our frankincense and we're going to put 15. All right. There we go. So we have, again, to repeat, 25 drops of Deep Blue, and we have 15 drops of frankincense. And now what we're going to do is add a carrier oil. What is a carrier oil? It's an oil that we use. We don't need to fill this whole bottle up with essential oils. That would be too costly and we'd be wasting our oils. We don't need them. They're very powerful just with this amount of drops. But we want it to extend the use of them and make the application easy. So we take in doTERRA fractionated coconut oil. Fractionated means they removed one molecule so that it stays in liquid form all the time. Because you know how that coconut oil in your kitchen cabinet solidifies at room temperature? Well, you couldn't make a roller ball having that solidify, right? We got to keep it liquid. So doTERRA offers this fractionated coconut oil, which we love because the skin loves coconut oil. It just absorbs it. It's easily absorbable and just loves it. All right, it's good for our skin. So then we just take this fractionated coconut oil and we fill up the bottle the rest of the way to the neck of the bottle. Right? Okay, there we go. We put this orifice on top. Now, if you have one of these handy dandy little tools, you can take the big circle, and you do this on a table. I'm trying to hold it up for you, but to show you, but you do it on a tabletop. You just press down and it'll push that cap right in there. Again, need to do it on a tabletop, so you won't see me do this, but it's happening. You'll hear that pop. Maybe you heard it. You hear that little pop, and then you know it's okay. And what I'm doing is pulling it out. Okay? And then we put our cap on. Give it a little shake. I'd always shake it before you go to use it. And you're set to go. Okay, this is something you're going to want to be making up and using all the time, because who doesn't have aches and pains now and then, right? Right. So again, easy application. Just roll it, shoulder aches, wherever, pain in the neck, right? I don't mean your husband, right? Okay, there we go. So you can be an essential oil master DIYer. That's how you make a roller ball, and again, we'll post your resources where you can be getting these things for you. Have fun with these oils. Have a great day.